now going to do is add some of these animations to the timeline. So what I'm going to do is take the symbol and just simply drag it to the bottom of the screen, and you'll see that it's over here on the left hand side. Let me just go and change this to make sure we've got the selection tool selected. So we have got that as a V. If we now click and hold on it, we can actually move this around, so there we go. And if I control enter, what you'll see is this will play. So now we have got the first ribbon on the stage. What we're going to do is we're going to add a second one. So this time we're going to move it up to the top. And let's just move it around to where it should start. Play that one, and you'll see that it now comes from that direction, both coming in nice synchronization together. What we could do though is up at the top, go to modify, and what we can do is transform it and flip it horizontally. What that's now done is moved it over to the right hand side of the screen at the top. Control enter, and we've now got two going in opposite directions. So we've got some flexibility there. I'm going to put another one on. This time I'm going to put one down the bottom over here, and this time what we're going to do is we're actually going to rotate it, and I'm going to zoom right the way out. So we'll say go to about 50% at the moment and see what happens. We're going to use the transform tool, move it, and what we can see is you can see the rotate option, and it will rotate it right the way around. We can see the starting point. Now you can see why I needed this little bit there available. And I'm going to move that up to here. So it's going to start from the bottom corner. So now what we've got is they're now going into different directions. I'm going to keep adding a few more of these on. We'll put one over on the side over here. Again, we'll rotate that one around a little bit up to there, and drag that back down to here. Again, play that one. I've got a couple going in different directions. Pop another one on. Take this one right down the very bottom here. Again, I'm going to rotate it around. If I click on it and go the other direction. Now you'll notice it's come off the stage here. If you can't see everything, literally go fit in window and fit all in where it says show all. And what that will do is it will allow me to see that very bottom corner. I'm going to rotate it again a little bit just so that it's actually facing upwards, and it's starting just off the actual stage this time. Again, here we go. There's another one. And this is a way of you adding in lots of different animations, and in the next video we're going to do some clever things to this to actually make them change colour without us modifying the original symbol.